Hey, John Cristani here, coming at you with the top 5 highest payout CPA affiliate verticals. You have been asking me about what are the highest paying CPA affiliate marketing verticals. Well, you're going to get it. If you don't understand what CPA affiliate marketing is, what it means is you're just getting a straight up commission per sale, not a rev share, just one-time payment of commission. I'm gonna go in order here from 5 to 1. I'm gonna count down. We're gonna start with vertical number 5, which is you can earn $200 for referring a customer into life insurance. These offers are all from CPA affiliate networks. $200 to get somebody to get insurance on their life. Very straightforward. I'm showing the landing page here. The 4th top payout vertical is weight loss. Weight loss has been selling for thousands of years. Folks have been concerned with their weight, and they will be concerned with their weight for thousands more years. I have made millions of dollars recommending weight loss products in my days because it's such an easy product to sell. I've marketed through display ads, through Google ads, through YouTube ads, through Facebook ads, through native ads. It works anywhere you market it. Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. You can send a DM to folks with a link. You can post a group message with a link. And I have lots of resources in my training course, the Super Affiliate System, that show folks how they can promote this. If you're interested in learning about my training course, check out the link in the description, number 1 earning method. The 3rd top payout CPA marketing vertical is sleep. Helping folks sleep. A lot of folks with the anxiety of the media propaganda and the government propaganda and the education system propaganda going on and the constant internet usage that folks are addicted to now, it's harder than ever for folks to fall asleep. I wonder why. Selling products to folks to help them sleep can earn you a lot of money here. $280 for this mattress that helps folks sleep better. There have been huge companies established in the sleep niche. One great example is MyPillow. MyPillow is a company that started as an affiliate marketer. They were on TV selling pillows they got from somewhere else, and the guy who owns the company is worth over $100 million now, and actually a controversial figure because he supported President Trump for presidency a couple years ago. I don't know why he's controversy, but he's been suspended from social media platforms. Great niche to be in. Sleeping is something people have been doing for thousands of years and will continue to do for thousands of years. This is what we call in marketing an evergreen niche, which means it will never go away. You will always be able to market sleep products to folks. So this is one of those niches you can just stay in for life. The 2nd top product category is business opportunity. This is the market I'm in if you decide to be an affiliate for my program, the Super Affiliate System, which pays out higher commissions than the CPA networks, pays out $687 when you promote my product on ClickBank. I have a lot of traffic strategies that show you how to promote business opportunity products in any niche or any business opportunity product really, but specifically my own on my free traffic playlists. If you are looking to use social media to earn money, then check out my free traffic playlist and start promoting it. In this case, the top business opportunity CPA offer is called the Airbnb formula, which shows folks how they can start a business with Airbnb by leasing an apartment and then renting it out to other folks on Airbnb and earning an income. Frankly, my problem with certain training programs there are a lot of online gurus right now. It's a fact. And there's a lot of training programs out there that folks buy to learn how to make money. My problem with BNB formula is it isn't updated constantly, yet the laws surrounding how you can rent out your apartment, condo, or house, and the cities that you can do this business model in are changing constantly. And it's a big regulatory issue. There's a lot of things going on in that space. And I would be concerned with Airbnb formula of how often they update their course, because otherwise it's a scam. Now for the number one highest payout CPA affiliate niche, it's sad. And I don't like talking about this. I actually considered removing this from the list entirely. And it pays out over double what any other of these product niches do. And the niche is thievery. Seriously, complete illegal theft. Literally stealing money from people is the biggest niche in affiliate marketing today. Technically speaking, this is known as crypto or binary options on affiliate networks. This niche is completely banned here in the US and is highly regulated elsewhere in the world, but most other places in the world do not have the enforcement agencies to crack down on the criminals that run these white-collar theft operations under the guise of investment. You can read about this in the news. There's a news article called The Wolves of Tel Aviv. This scam is mainly perpetrated in Israel, where people in call centers, actors, they're all actors. They act like they are from an investment bank, the Royal Bank of Scotland, or, Merrill Lynch, etc. These actors in these call centers need leads of people who are looking to invest in the next Tesla, or the next big marijuana brand, or the next big real estate fund, or the next big tech company. And they need people that are interested to get on the phone with them so they can do their acting and act like they are going to take care of these folks' money and get them to do a wire transfer to their account. The scams that are derived from this form of affiliate marketing make billions and billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars a year. Not from Americans, because it's illegal in America, but from folks mainly in the UK, Ireland, in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, France, United Arab Emirates, Dubai, anywhere in Europe or the Middle East, generally speaking, are the folks being scammed. It is pathetic that this is so big. It is pathetic that this is the highest payout affiliate CPA marketing niche. It is pathetic that there are so many thousands of people, both affiliates and salespeople, that are earning tons of money, literally stealing from people. I've been able to earn $21 million in affiliate marketing and made a nice life for myself and built up investments in real estate and stock market that have grown to support me with a nice life without having to market illegal products that steal from people. Now, when these actors get folks to wire money, their investment money, they don't get any stock. They don't get any shares. They get nothing. They get nothing. But it's very sad that this is the number one vertical in CPA marketing today. So there you have it. There are the top 5 CPA marketing niches. I hope you learned something about this. Let me know if you have any questions for me. I know a lot about each of these verticals and I can go deeper into these. If you want specific marketing tactics to go out and actually start earning money, I recommend you check out my free traffic playlist. This will show you how to get your affiliate link and how to post it on whatever apps or social medias that you use. If you're looking for a quicker way to make money without having to send out messages or posts from your personal Instagram or Facebook accounts, then make sure to check out my free training, which is the link in the description with a fire on it. That is my #1 method to earn money. This is a webinar showing you the system that I earn money using paid ads, using advertising on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Google, and promoting products online and earning commissions from them. In this, I show you how I spent $6 million to earn $21 million, and how you can too. And many of my students have replicated this success. I've helped thousands of folks earn their first $1,000 online. You can check out some of the testimonials of the students here.
Hi there, my name is Phil Carrick from Northern Ireland, and I just want to give a big shout out to John Crestani. What John does is he walks you through a step-by-step process, really from A to Z.
I followed all the directions, did exactly what you said, and I had already gotten one sale, and I could not be happier.
Hi, I'm Shalinda, and I just made my first online commission.
Once again, give me that hoorah! Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your support, and let me know, leave a comment, how I can further, what I could teach you more to help you really succeed in your online business.